Hello and welcome on tutorial for MS Teams. In this tutorial I will show to you how to create online sessions for students. So let's start. There is two ways to create online session, over the calendar or in the group. In this video I will show you how to create on both ways. So here we go. As you can see it on my Teams here, I have a lot of groups, different groups. So I will use this one, IT team. So to create online session, open your group. Your group can be different, any other class. And let's start to create online session. To create online session, you need to go here, where is this meet icon, but you need to click here where you will have drop down window and go to a scheduled meeting. It will open a new window for you where you will add information so the students can know when to join, which date and when. So let's start. First title, I will just put here training for MS Teams. Here is add require attendees. That means you can add any person to join this online session. It can be any mail, it doesn't matter is it from school or from other company. Below you have the date and time. So this is when the session will start and which time, and this is the date when session ends and time when it ends. As you can see it here, it shows that session will be 30 minutes. Here you have all day, so if you click here, that means session will be one day, whole one day. But we don't need for whole one day, so for example I need 45 minutes. So here you have drop down window, but as you can see there's no option for 45 minutes. So I will just input here 8:45 and click on empty space, and it will give me 45 minutes. Below the date and the time you have option, do you want to repeat this session or not? So when you click, it will show you every weekday from Monday to Friday, or daily, or weekly, monthly, yearly, and you have costume. If you want to be repeated daily, you just click here and it says that occurs every day starting from the 5th January 2022 and until the end. But you can choose also weekly, so occurs every Wednesday starting from 5th January, or you can choose monthly, so every month on the first Wednesday starting. But if you have, for example, lessons that are in different days, I suggest to use the costume. So go to the costume, it will open new window, and here you can choose when it starts, how many times it will be repeated, is it daily, is it weekly, or is it per month. So for example I want to be repeated weekly, so I will choose week and choose the date when that session will be. So for example I will choose Sunday, Tuesday, I will remove Wednesday, and Thursday. Now I want here to select when that session will stop. So for example I will choose that this session will stop in the 29th January, and then just click save. So here we go, every Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday starting from 5th January until 29th January. So this is if you created in the same time these days, but if it's different time, then you need to choose and go into create another session. Now here it's already added my team because, as I said, we're creating inside the group, so it will show inside the group. So every student who is appointed or allocated for that group, they will receive notification. And here you can type the details or description what will be done on online session. After that, you can just go and send. And here we are. The session is created. Now, when I create a session, I want to know who will be able to join and who not. So, click again and go to the meeting options. When you click on the meeting options, you will get the new window. It will open in the Google Chrome or any web browser that you're using. And here we have meeting options. Who can bypass the lobby? That means who can join before I start the session. So you can choose everyone, or people in my organization, or people in my organization guests, or people in my organization, or only me. I suggest you just choose only me, because on that way nobody can start online session until you don't join. Who can present? Also, I suggest only me. Later I will show you how to give somebody else to present. And here, to avoid the noise in the beginning of the meeting, you can choose to allow microphone for attendees, which I will choose, for example, no. And camera for attendees, you can choose yes or no, and allow reaction. So I will leave it as, and I will click save. So when it's done, you can just close this window. And then after that, close it. Now everybody received notification that I create online schedule, plus also you will be able to see on the calendar. When you go to the calendar, you will see this session on my calendar, but also everybody in that group will receive the same on the calendar plus notification in activity on this here. So here we go. As you can see, it's a little bit blur. It goes to synchronizing. It takes a little bit more time because my calendar is full. And here we are. So the session is created. Also, one more suggestion. On the calendar, always choose it on this, where is the work week, choose it the week. So you can see all days in the week, not just from Monday until Friday. You will be able to see from Sunday until Saturday, like this. So you will be able even to create for Sunday and to see that in your calendar. That is the way how to create online session in MS Teams. Thank you for watching.